The creation of a will is a fundamental aspect of estate planning, ensuring your assets are distributed according to your wishes after your passing. While traditional legal avenues exist, online platforms like LegalZoom offer an alternative. This explanation will provide a straightforward assessment of LegalZoom's suitability for will creation, focusing on its process and potential benefits. The LegalZoom will creation process. LegalZoom provides a questionnaire-based approach. Users navigate a series of questions that cover essential aspects of will creation, including identification of assets. You'll itemize your property, financial accounts, and other assets. Beneficiary designation. You'll specify who will inherit your assets and in what proportions. Guardianship for minors. If applicable, you'll designate guardians for any minor children. Executor appointment. You will name an executor to manage the estate's distribution. Specific bequests. You can include specific gifts to individuals or organizations. Upon completion, LegalZoom generates a will document based on your responses. The platform offers options for attorney review and printing or electronic delivery. It is very important to understand that the information provided by LegalZoom is not legal advice. The user is responsible for ensuring that the will meets the requirements of their state. Considerations and suitability. LegalZoom can be a viable option for individuals with simple estates and straightforward distribution plans. However, complex situations involving substantial assets, intricate family dynamics, or specialized estate planning needs might necessitate personalized legal counsel from an attorney. It is important to remember that state laws vary, and LegalZoom's standardized forms may not address all nuances. Tip: thorough review. Regardless of the platform used, meticulously review your will for accuracy and completeness. Ensure it aligns with your intentions and complies with your state's legal requirements. If you have any questions, consult with a qualified attorney.